This is a new hero. This is what you get in the box. You get the waterproof case, a skeleton back door, a curved, a flat mount, USB charging cable, and an anti-vibration plug. One of the questions I have is, with the skeleton back door on, can you charge it with the door on? And you can. Now the camera is not technically removable from the case. Just on each side, pry up a little. The whole back comes right off. Now the battery is hardwired in, which is a bad thing when it comes to having water in it. I was wrong. There's a connector right beside the SD/charging port board. Pair of needle nose pliers, you pull that off, throw it in a bag of rice, and hopefully you saved your camera that got wet. I don't recommend taking this back door off unless you have to, because it doesn't line up easily. You want to put the SD card port side on first. Memory card back in before the wind takes it away. It has 3 video modes, 2 of which are 720. One is Super View, and the other is Standard. Both are 60 frames a second and 1080 at 30 frames a second. I don't know how well the Hero 4 sees the screen, especially being in the case. You can still hold the shutter button down to get out of the settings menu. This is a really good camera for a dash cam, because you can't put backpacks on it. Now, I've never been a fan of the one button mode, but this quick capture that this Hero has is kind of nice. To start shooting video, press the top button quickly, it turns on and starts shooting video. Push it again, stops recording, and shuts off. To start shooting time lapse in only half-second intervals, you hold it down. Push it quickly, and it shuts off. If you liked it, subscribe for more. I never know what I'm going to be doing.